5 home remedies for cough. Coughing is one of the most common health problems. When there is a blockage or irritant in your throat or upper ear passages, your brain thinks a foreign element is present and tells your body to cough to remove that element. Instead of using over-the-counter cough syrups, you can try some natural cough treatments using readily available ingredients in your kitchen. Number 1. Turmeric. The herb turmeric has a therapeutic effects on coughs, particularly on dry cough. Heat half a cup of water in a boiling pot. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon black pepper. You may also add cinnamon sticks. Boil this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Drink this daily until the condition improves. Alternatively, make an herbal tea by adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of carom seeds to a cup of water and boil it until water reduces to 1/2 cup. Add some honey and drink this herbal solution 2 to 3 times a day. Another way to use turmeric is to roast turmeric root and grind it into a smooth powder. Mix it with water and honey and drink it twice a day. Number 2. Ginger. Ginger is one of the most popular natural cures for a cough. Cut fresh ginger into small slices and crush them slightly. Put them in a cup of water and bring them to a boil. Drink this herbal solution 3 to 4 times a day for relief from sore throat, non-stop coughing and even congestion. You can also add lemon juice and honey to it. Another option is to chew fresh raw ginger off and on throughout the day to reduce the cough. Number 3. Lemon. Lemons can be used in a variety of ways for curing coughs. Lemons have properties that reduce inflammation and also provide a dose of infection-fighting vitamin C. A simple cough syrup can be made by combining 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, add 1 tablespoon of honey. Drink this healthy syrup several times a day. Another way to use lemons is to blend lemon juice with a little honey, add a pinch of cinnamon pepper and drink it. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic has both antibacterial and antimicrobial components that help treat coughs. Boil 2 to 3 cloves of garlic in a cup of water and add a teaspoon of oregano. Allow it to cool to room temperature. Add some honey and drink it. This will help your breathing and alleviate other cough symptoms. Eat a clove of crushed garlic mixed with a few drops of clove oil and some honey for sore throat relief. You can also use garlic in your cooking. Number 5. Onion. One of the simplest home remedies for a cough is to cut onions. Breathing in the strong vapors can help stop coughing. You can also make a cough syrup from baked onion juice, comfrey tree and honey. Drink it daily to get relief from a dry cough. Another option is to combine 1/2 teaspoon of onion juice with 1 teaspoon of pure honey. Swallow this solution at least twice a day to alleviate a cough and soothe your throat. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, do click on the like button, share this video on Facebook, Twitter and WhatsApp. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.